Have you ever wondered how YouTubers get millions of views from their vlogging videos? Here are 5 simple vlogging tricks, including camera gear and settings, the hook to keep people watching, audio cleanup hack, camera angles with composition, the Boredom Buster, and the tripod belt trick, play tape. Essential for high quality video content is the camera, and specifically the lens. You'll want something like a 16mm wide angle focal length. And the reason for this is framing. For talking head shots like these, you don't want your face to be too big in the frame. For instance, if I was using a 24mm lens, you can almost see what I had for breakfast. Not very pretty. My lens of choice is a 16mm Sony G lens, which has a shallow aperture of f1.8, so we can get these professional looking blurry backgrounds and subject isolation. But most importantly, we have good framing with head and shoulders. And using the Sony Alpha cameras like the A7C or A7CR, we have what's called active steady shot to reduce that annoying camera shake. This is with steady shot turned off, and this is with steady shot turned on. Heck of a difference when vlogging handheld. Which brings me on to number 4, the tripod and the belt trick. You'll want a small, lightweight tripod for static and handheld shots. You could use something like a GorillaPod, easy to pop on the floor or a bench or even a tree. I prefer a small tripod with a proper ball head. Now, you won't always be able to put a tripod on the floor in a city like London due to security measures, so handheld vlogging will be the name of the game. If you're doing longer talking head video clips, your arms are definitely gonna get tired. So this is my simple belt trick. Extend the tripod height from your belt to the top of your head, tilt the camera down by 45 degrees and anchor the tripod legs onto your belt. We now have stabilized footage on the Y-axis while taking the weight of the camera, lens and tripod. This technique will ensure longer filming, less fatigue and no irritating shaky footage. In third place, we have audio cleanup. Now, audio is almost as important as video quality. Firstly, you'll want a decent microphone to capture the audio initially. I use the DJI Mic 3. Receiver on the top of the camera and wireless transmitter as close to your mouth as possible. Wind muff if you're outdoors. You can capture audio directly into the video track or by pressing the button on the side to record audio into the mic's internal storage. Now, if we take that corresponding audio track and upload it to a website called Adobe Podcast, of which there is a free version or a premium version, we can upload that corresponding audio track and Adobe Podcast will enhance it to a very high level. The premium version allows you to split the audio into speech and background. You can eliminate background noise and enhance the tone of your voice for richer, more professional audio quality. Then, using your preferred video software like DaVinci Resolve, sync the enhanced audio with the original video and wow your audience with high quality content without the distraction of background noise. You can capture audio directly into the video track or by pressing the button on the side of the mic to capture audio into the mic's internal storage. In second place is the Boredom Buster. Keep the video moving. Don't give viewers the opportunity to click off onto another video. Throw in different camera angles using standard composition techniques like leading lines, framing, or rule of thirds. Keep the clips short and sentences concise without any pauses or gaps, because, you know, that can be bored. Keep the clips short and sentences concise without any pauses or gaps, because that can be really boring. Go for unusual editing styles to keep the viewers entertained. Throw in some cool overlays or video transitions, but not too many. Moving clips are more interesting than static ones, so utilize those walking and talking shots. Or even get on a bike and throw a drone in the air to embellish those viral videos. Try POV style shots or fly on the wall ideas. And this brings me on to the #1 hack for the best chances of a YouTube video going viral. Now, the hook makes up the first 5 seconds of your video, and it's designed to persuade the viewer to watch the rest of the video. Maybe ask a question. Have you ever wondered how YouTubers get millions of views from their vlogging videos? Is AI destroying photography? Yes, no. There is one photography location in London which is quite unique, because to get the shot, you need to have 3 things. Now, is it just me, or does the new DJI Mini 5 Pro look like a miniaturized version of the Air 3S? Well, that's because it kind of is. Today's photo challenge is street photography with 400mm. Is this even possible? Let's find out. Once you've made them curious enough to keep watching without clicking off, give them a brief 10 to 20 seconds high energy glimpse of what's coming up in the rest of the video. Check out these intros. Osmo 360. Once you've reached that all-important 30 seconds, which logs as a view on your YouTube video, give the viewer exactly what they came for. And this is the material, the substance of the content. Stay on topic and to the point. Be engaging, but not too cheesy or continually funny. Be educational and likable. The reward will be giving the viewers the answers to the title of the video, the thumbnail, the description, and the hook at the start of the video. Anyway, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please give us a thumbs up if you did, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more photography content, and I'll see you on the flip side.